one does plumbing at 4:30 in the morning. Look, there's a freaking hammer in there, man.
So, you might not be able to tell because it's really bright in here, but it's dark outside. We are in the tent looking for plumbing stuff because the camper sprung a leak again last night right before bed.
Look at that.
You think that we could get the plumbing done by the time we gotta go do the chickens?
Maybe. I think that I could really jack this up. I could just put that shark bite thing and it's done.
Nah, let's do it. Let's fix it. I could get in there if you want me to instead. That one? Or
oh, yeah, that's it. Something tells me that this is...
not it?
Let's see if this works for now. Because I can take this back off. Those parts,
you can't.
You can take it off, but I got to go back up the hill.
This is the old one, right?
That's the old one, yeah. Line it up with that one and see how different it is. Look. Is it actually different? Probably not. It probably crimps on there pretty good. No, look, see? To me, it looks different. You know what I'm saying?
Look at the holes on the inside of the top. The other top. The other top. Yeah, that one. And then the other screw hole. Do they look the same?
That will be the same. It's this part right here. Let's see and shine inside there. I'd really rather use this if this is the stuff. What's the worst that happens? I put it on, it doesn't work, I cut it off. Let me just check this first though. Where's the ring at? It should be, there it is. Is there a flow direction here? Probably not. Let's just see. I almost feel bad for doing this.
Because it's another one of your solutions.
But go turn the... And listen for me. You better listen for me. I'm going to tell you now. You play games, I get showered on.
Are you good?
Yeah, we're good, baby cakes.
Well, everyone, it was a very early morning this morning. We got the plumbing leak fixed and, well, not fixed, but a temporary solution to the problem. We put a shark bite switch on it for like the flow switch, the on and off flow switch on there. So that's taken care of. We got that slab cleaned up this morning, and I'll show you why right now. So we have a surprise guest. Just the day before yesterday, we got a phone call saying, we're coming to visit. So somebody showed up at our doorstep yesterday morning. My father-in-law is in town.
We'll take a little gander, see what we see.
That's a lot of worms in one area. We are up at the worm beds. Let's check it out and see what kind of activity we have. Ooh, look at that soil, looks so good.
The soil's moving.
I know.
So
it's alive with worms.
We don't talk a lot about our worm beds, not because we want to be secretive about it. It's just not fun. It's not exciting. Like, not this part. This is the growing part. So when we do something, we talk about it. And the rest of the time, seriously, we ain't doing nothing but watering daily. But for a while there, we would come up here and see nothing. We would find worms here and there. I thought we was in big trouble. Now, when we come up, it doesn't matter where I grab. There's worms everywhere, which is a great sign. And this is like what I believe the optimal conditions for substantial growth, because it's not too hot. Now it'd be great if we had some rain, but we'll just water with well water. It was working great. I think this year, if we don't harvest, it would be a shame. But if we don't harvest, it'll be because we don't have a trommel yet, or the time. But there's a lot of worms in there. If it's like this all the way across both beds, then we definitely have more than 100 pounds, without a shadow of a doubt. Now, we bought 100 pounds. We know a lot of those died, but the beds are doing really good.
Flourishing, yes.
Yes. Mostly probably because we mowed our jungle down and gave the conditions back, because they were just robbing the water. It would go into the soil and get drank up by the plants, and what the plants didn't get, the ground is underneath our soil is sand.
Yeah.
And it just, that's great drainage.
Right through it, yeah.
It's great drainage. So we'd water for 4 hours and come up here and grab sand. It was terrible, so we had to.
What happened to your face? Who are you? You're not my dog. Look at you. Well, we gotta straighten out this line some more and give us a little bit more room on this corner right here. And on the other end, so we can straighten out our pins. Over the last several days, we've been working really hard on the layout for our house. Some of the challenges that we've had is stair placement and just kind of trying to fit things into the space that we have. Marcel and I came upon agreement that we are going to keep most of the things in place where they are on the back wall, meaning the kitchen, the bathrooms, the laundry room. All those things will stay in place, but we can modify the house still. The stairs we either are going to put in the front of the house or on the side of the house. So let's go ahead and check out the layout that we're about to put down on the ground so we can see what's going on. The paint isn't really sticking very well. I'll go ahead and put the paper layout up and you guys can see what we're going to lay out. It is such a relief to finally have this portion of it kind of laid out for us so we can see what we can fit and how big our bedroom's going to be. It's a pretty comfortable size bedroom. It's going to be a 16 by 14, so that's plenty of space. I've never had a bedroom that big, so that's exciting, you guys. It's been a bit of a challenge trying to put your home out on paper, you know, something that you're going to build and live in just a few short days. So that challenge has been what we've been tackling over the last few days. We are surrounded with so many amazing people. We went into the plumbing supply to talk to somebody about ordering materials for our plumbing. And we are actually getting a little extra help there. Somebody to walk us through the steps and pieces that we need, how they need to be in the ground and all that stuff. So that's really exciting news that we have somebody helping us with that. Him and his staff over there are just amazing. We'll be introducing you to Justin at the plumbing supply. He owns the store and is also a plumber. Just great people. We are very fortunate to run into such wonderful people throughout this journey. It's just crazy, you guys. We've gotten help with our dirt work. We've gotten help with the plumbing. The center block people were just amazing. Our wonderful friends Deb and John, who helped us with our septic. That was a huge one. I mean, we've just been surrounded by amazing people helping us along the way. Yeah, so it's wonderful, you guys. It's wonderful. It feels great. Thank you guys so much for being such an amazing community. So the list just keeps going on and on. It's been quite a day. We had plumbing, we had the layout, Dad came to town. I mean, all kinds of things happened. So it's been super busy, and we appreciate all of you guys for joining us on this wonderful journey that we're on. We are getting so many new family members. You guys, we just enjoy giving you content. So if you got any suggestions, please feel free to drop them below. Let me know what you think of the last few videos where I've done some voiceovers. How do you guys feel about that? It's new to me, so I'm not sure if you like it. I'll keep doing some. But until then, you guys, we appreciate you so much. If you're enjoying our content, please be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you're notified of our videos when they're posted. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.